So I took one of these candy jars and I'm going to take the sticker out. It's pretty simple. It comes out. And then I'm going to take the top out. I'm going to take these flowers. You could choose any color you would like, but I'm just going to go ahead and place a few of them inside. You could do different colors if you would like. I just put two on the side, and I'm going to put this little string on the back, and I'm going to put the other one in the middle. You could put like into the different colors. It's up to you. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this light and place it inside like that. Just fix it around so the light can show. Then I'm gonna take my hot glue and attach it to the top. Just go all the way around it. Once you do that, just go ahead and put the top upside down and attach it into place. Then I took this glass and I'm gonna take this candle holder and spray paint it in gold, and I'm going to use this and place it around it. So I'm gonna use my hot glue and attach it into place. So you're just gonna go ahead and attach the whole thing until you are done. Once you're done attaching the whole thing, you could put little flowers if you would like, or you could just leave it like that. Then I'm gonna take this candle holder, put some hot glue on the bottom part and attach it to the top. Then I took this candle and placed it inside. Then I'm gonna put my glass on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple, but at the same time, it looks so cute. I loved it how it turns out. This one how it looked with the light and the candle inside. For the next DIY, I'm gonna grab the same container, but I'm gonna put some floral foam on the top. So just go ahead and glue it and attach it to the top. And then I'm gonna take some toothpick and I'm gonna place it inside all the way around it. And then I'm gonna take my flower and just put it through it like that. So you're gonna continue attaching different flowers until you are done attaching the whole thing. Here, remember, you could do different colors if you would like. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple to do, and I think it came out so cute as well. Also, another idea, you guys can spray paint the container instead of leaving it clear like that. You could put water inside as well. You could put beads. Like, there's so many ideas of so many things that you guys can do with this DIY. For the next idea, we're going to take the same floral foam that we did before, but this time we're going to attach our glass. So we're going to put some hot glue on it and attach it to the floral foam like that. Then after you're done attaching, just make sure to put flower all the way around it. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and take the glass and take the same candle holder I did before. But this one, so when you put the candle, if it's too big and it's wobbly, just put some hot glue on the bottom part of the candle and then just place it inside, and it should stay into put and it will not fall apart. Then take your candle and you're going to, after you do that, just hold it through your candle and it's easy to place it inside, just like that, you guys. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do at home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.